Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Igho and this is Love Igho. Okay, so in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how I made this really nice yellow paper bag skirt out of Ankara fabric. So this is actually an old recorded tutorial, one of the very first I recorded, but then I lost the drive or the SD card that I had the tutorial on, and I just found it and I thought I would still put it up. It's a skirt that I love. So even though it's an old tutorial, I thought I should still put it up because the skirt is like, it turned out really nice and it was so simple, so quick and so easy to make. I just, why not share it anyway? So like I said, this is a paperback skirt. And what that basically means is one of the easiest and the quickest skirts that you can make because it doesn't require a zipper. It's literally you taking your hip measurement and then just adding an elastic to the waist and leaving some extra couple of inches at the top of the skirt to give you that nice like cinched in paper bag effect. So it's very quick and it's very easy, and I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. So
Okay, so now that we know what we need, let's get to cutting and sewing. Now the first step is tracing out our skirt pattern using an already existing pencil skirt. This is really easy, guys. Just fold your fabric over twice because we're going to be tracing and cutting out the front and the back skirt pattern, which for this skirt are exactly the same. There's no zipper required. So you're basically going to be cutting a rectangle shape from your waist point up to where you want the skirt to end. So just trace out your pattern. So lay the pencil skirt on your fabric and make sure that the folded part of your pencil skirt is on the folded part of the fabric as you want to cut. So folded part to folded part. Then trace out the pattern in a box-like manner at the waist and the hip. Just ignore the whole hip to waist curve. There's really no point. That's what the paper bag effect is for. Then add 4 inches to the top of the skirt as an allowance for the waistband. Now cut out your pattern and remember to leave sewing and hemming allowances at the top, at the sides, and at the bottom of the skirt for hemming and all that stuff. Now go ahead and cut out a 4 inches wide waist tie at whatever length is most appropriate to you. That's the tie part that's skirt tie basically. So I decided that I wanted pockets in my skirts. You don't have to add pockets. You can just sew your skirt straight through. But I decided that I wanted pockets in my skirt. So I cut out 4 pieces using my free pocket pattern. I'll leave a link to the pattern in the description box. Now go ahead and mark about 4 inches down from the top and attach your pockets. So do this for all pocket pieces. Attach the 4 pocket pieces to the skirt, right sides facing each other, and just sew them all the way down. Now, after doing that, align your pocket pieces and skirt pieces by placing the front and back skirt pieces together, right sides touching, and line up the pockets and sew the side seams. Now, guys, as you're working, make sure that you're ironing what you're making as you go, just to make your work come out a lot neater. And so as you attach the pockets, go on and sew the sides of the skirt together. Sew down 3 inches from the top of the pocket and leave a pocket space of about 6 inches. But just remember to sew around the pocket area and not straight through it. Alright, so after doing this, fold the top of the skirt over by 2 and 1/4 inches and press it in place all the way around. You want to then go on and pin and sew 1 inch close from the top all the way around. And then go ahead and pin and sew 1 inch from that new stitch line that is equal to the width of your elastic piece. And make sure that you don't forget to leave a 2-inch wide opening that you're going to use to insert the elastic before sewing all the way around. So pick up a safety pin and use the safety pin to feed the elastic through the casing of the skirt, and remember to secure the other end, otherwise you have to start over because the elastic will just come right out. So once you get to the other side, sew the two ends of the elastic together and go ahead and close the 2-inch opening. And basically, guys, that's it. So finally, you can hem the bottom of your skirt, create your belt loops, and I think you only need about 5 loops. So create like 5 belt loops, sew your belt, sew your waist tie, and you're good to go. That is it, you guys. I hope this tutorial was clear. I hope it was easy to follow, and I hope it was helpful so far. Let me know what you think about this tutorial in the comment section. I look forward to hearing from you guys. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.